Good afternoon, one and all. I am Janardhan from Bangalore, and I am presenting a paper titled Bioremediation for Micropathogens Found in Various Topographical Regions of a Domestic Environment Using Crude Extract of Spinach Leaf as an Economical Means of Biocontrol. The main objective was to use direct extract of spinach leaves for its antimicrobial activity against common pathogens present in different regions of our domestic environment and to propagate it as a safe and economical biocontrol. Well, spinach was the source. Spinach is a green leafy vegetable which is grown in most parts of the world. It has a lot of vitamins and minerals. It's a good source of chlorophyll, which is an aid in digestion. But the most important fact that particularly attracted my attention towards it was its adaptability even in highly contaminated water, which is a source of various human and phytopathogens. Materials used. Well, these were the materials used for making the nutrient agar plates and lab equipments, the methodologies. Preparation of petri plates and incubation. Nutrient agar plates were made and were air exposed at different regions of our domestic circle. In this case, they were the bedrooms, halls and the toilets. The plates were then incubated for 48 hours at 37 degrees. After the incubation period, the petri dishes showed growth in them, and the most common organisms found were, in all the samples, were Staphylococcus aureus and Aspergillus flavus. Next was the preparation of spinach extract. Fresh spinach was washed in tap water and then in distilled water. Excess spinach was drained out and leaves were homogenized. The extract was filled into a sterile sprayer. Next was treating the dwelling areas. The nutrient agar plates were made and this spinach extract was sprayed on the floors and left for 15 minutes. Well, you can see the first one towards the left is in the hall, next in the bedroom and the toilet. Exposing the plates to the treated areas. 15 minutes after spray, the nutrient agar plates were placed in the center of the sprayed region. This was in the same hall, the bedroom and the toilet. And after air exposure, the plates were kept for incubation for 48 hours again and at 37 degrees. And the results were, the plates exposed in the dwelling areas before treatment with spinach extract had growth of Staphylococcus aureus and Aspergillus common in all the samples. And after exposure to the spinach extract, they did not show any growth after 48 hours of incubation. So the inference would be crude spinach extract has the potential to inhibit microorganisms such as Staphylococcus aureus and Aspergillus flavus, and so it can be used as an economical and a safe biocontrol agent. And this project is still under progress. My future research would be to continue the present study to gain in-depth knowledge on the factors which inhibit the growth of microorganisms, to isolate the key component responsible for inhibition and to study its usage as a safe biocide, as face sprays and flow cleansing agents, and to isolate the pigments from known medicinal plants and test its biocidal properties. Acknowledgement. I would like to thank the organizers of this conference for letting me present this paper. Dr. Sir S. Nagendran for his guidance and encouragement, for Professor Dr. Geeta Vishwanathan, my guide, for her guidance, Professor Sunil Desai of Combat Institute for his practical support and guidance, and I am grateful to my parents who have helped